Hey everyone, this is Dave from Edge Planet, back with another Let's Open. Today we're going to be unboxing the 2026 March TacPack Plus box. Now this is supposed to be the biggest box ever. So this is the size of the box. It was the width of the box. It's pretty big actually. It's kind of chunky. Is this the biggest box ever in terms of actual width and length? I don't know, but it looks pretty big, and it's definitely bigger than last month's box. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to start opening this up and we're going to see what we got. Again, this is the Plus box and for March 2026. And they're saying this is the biggest box ever. It could be the things inside are the most value ever. I'm not too sure. Oh man, I can't get that. There it is. All right, let's see what we got. We'll save this for last because this tells us what's in everything, but we want to be surprised. So first thing I see is Sportsman rubber wire, hoist and secure gear from Hawk, 25 feet of length, sorry. And this kind of feels like rubber hose, so that's pretty, might come in handy. This is the Rackham clay pigeon holder, and this is from Timbercreek. Try to see who actually makes this. There's nothing on here. So this is Raven Conceal Systems. Look at that, nice mag holder. I just got a sneak peek, but here, hold on one second. Let me do the rest of this. We'll save the sticker for last. Oh, nice. I love Zero. This is a polymer ejection port cover kit for the AR-15. Very, very cool. Oh, Jesus. Things are falling off the side of the table here. Let's see what this is. Oh, nice. Birchwood screwdriver kit. This is actually very handy to put in your range bag, too. Look at that. And, of course, the plus item right here. The sticker, real quick, and we'll reveal it. The sticker. I forget who these Disney characters are, but they got the Gatling gun on the back. And wow, a Mantis Laser Academy training kit. Laser Training Unleashed. So, if you don't know what this is, this helps with dry firing. And what this does is this actually goes into your gun, and this actually helps so you can dry fire at home. You don't have to use any ammunition. And it's supposed to be like you're actually using your actual gun at the range. So you got the app. Here, let me actually move this a little closer here. So you have an app on your phone. There's an actually app you get for your phone. It actually can tie into your phone. You get the cartridge, which is what you actually put into your gun. It's both the portable and standard, and you get a tripod with it. Now, I don't know what caliber this is, because I know there's different calibers for this. It just says, so let's look in here before I actually open this thing. This is something I definitely want to try out too. So here tells us what we got in the TacPack Plus. So this is the plus item, the Mantis Laser Training Academy. And it says this kit comes with everything to train and improve your skills with seconds count. Get quality reps with your own equipment and experience at a higher level of dry fire laser target training with positive results you can see and well, it should say feel, but it says fee. So there's everything we got. Now, I don't know what this is for, because normally there's different models, but I'm guessing maybe this has both. I'll tell you what, I'm going to do a follow-up video, and I will make sure to actually do this, because I actually have another dry firing system that I still haven't even reviewed yet. That's from my 9mm. So that'd be interesting to see if... I'll tell you what, let me just open this real quick. But this is an insane plus item. Definitely really, really cool. And it's really, really cool they actually were able to get this out to be a part of this box. it's... I know I probably should move some of the stuff off of here, but I'm just going to keep it on here for now because we're almost done. I just want to see what calibers this is going to be. This everything here. Is there an instruction guide anywhere? I just want to see before I start rummaging through all this. Okay, so it looks like the calibers. So we have 5.56, we got 10 millimeter, we got 380 ACP, we got 45 ACP, and I guess this is the other one that went in here, I'm guessing. There's no markings on here, but I'm guessing this is going to be a 9 mil. I mean, that would make the most sense, right? Here's the instructions. Some batteries down there. Oh wait, these aren't the instructions. These are a pack of targets. And these are just some plaque cards. I'm guessing they probably want us to go there. I guess they really don't include. Yeah. So that's my guess, is that this should be... Is there any markings on here? Oh yeah, it is. Hold on one second. Yep, this is the 9 mil. Okay, so that does make sense. I was right. So there you go. So then you put this in there, you put the cartridge in. Definitely we need to try this out. So look for that video as well. I'm going to use that. And I can even put it against the other system that I bought now. How cool is that going to be? And we can actually look at the differences between the two systems. So there you are, everyone. This is the TacPack Plus box for March 2026. Let me know in the show notes below, comment below. What do you think? What was your favorite item this month? Obviously, mine's going to be this Mantis. I can already tell you right now. I already have a screwdriver kit for my range bag, but I might actually look to putting this in there instead and just kind of swapping them out. I don't know. The one I have is actually very, very compact. Maybe I can show you sometime. Let me see if I can. It's all the way across there. I don't want to get it, but I'll show it to you sometime. The screwdriver pack that I have is very, very sleek and compact, and it's actually like a cylinder, which saves me a lot of space. But anyways, so let me know what your favorite item is from this month's pack. Again, mine's gonna be this Mantis. I know sometimes I just always pick the plus item, but this month it's definitely worth it. So again, they said this was the biggest box ever. Is that true? I'm racking my brain. I think this might be the biggest impact item because Mantis is a very well-known company in the space. So again, let me know your thoughts. Everyone, if you want to support this channel, please use any of the affiliate links in the comment section and the show notes. It really, really helps me out as I continue to grow this channel. So until then, again, oh, and by the way, I always, as everyone notices, I make sure to reply and comment to everyone who leaves a comment. So anytime you want to leave a comment, please do, and I will always make sure to get back to you. So until next video, this is Dave from Edge Planet. Make sure to live sharp and carry ready, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you very much.